Simple weave for girl. She starts back in diagonal centre, starting with the right foot forward, a pivot, digging in the left foot. Slow. Step forward, slow. Now she makes a switch turn, stepping back on the right foot. 1. Side 2. Down on the dance. 3, 4. Step side facing centre. 5. Step back diagonally on the left foot. Back in, outside wall. Foxtrot, simple weave, girl steps. Right foot. She begins back in diagonal centre, facing partner in hold. Slow, slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Foxtrot, simple weave, girl steps. She starts back in diagonal centre, in hold, facing partner. Slow, slow. Switch turn, half a turn, stepping back with the right foot. 1. Step side, 2, facing outside wall. 3, down line of dance. 4, down line of dance. 5, facing centre. 6, back in diagonal wall. Man steps for simple weave. Step back left foot. Slow, forward right foot. Slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, turn 5, diagonal 6. Man step for simple weave, foxtrot. He starts stepping back with his left foot and a dip. Slow. Forward, slow. Then 1, 2, 3, 4,